See, he's distracted.
Give the phone to me. There, phone.
Show it to him. Lift it up. Ayan. Peekoo.
If you continue on this way, one day
Let him find it.
he'll go to your manager and say, Peekoo. He'll give up. He'll be like, okay.
Let him go for it.
He knows it's there. He's holding my hand.
Hatchki? Asta?
Right there. Here. That's here.
And then he'll look at the camera and give a smile. Cut.
He won't eat the other one till this gets over.
Did any of you fill out the facility survey?
No.
There was
is it
one
over?
section on cafeteria. So so they had a
Hey.
comment box.
You're not spoiling the video.
Oh, sorry.
Chompy like, did you see me? Now I'll go again.
Yeah.
Make sure you get my face.
Okay, stop staring at the camera.